So yesterday we took a look at the tool expanding out. Now let's take a look at why you would want to do this in the first place. What does this have to do with business and how is it going to make you more money? Because let's face it, that's what's on most people's minds. How do we translate this into success? Now here's the great thing. There is a ton of scientific evidence that shows that when you are practicing mindfulness, you are more creative. You tap into that intuitive knowing, being able to follow those niggles. And it's well documented that high-level CEOs, successful entrepreneurs, find that mindfulness increases their bottom line. Expanding out is just one of the many tools for mindfulness, but is a simple, easy, and highly effective tool that you can practice anywhere. My name is Dana Ferrant, and this is your Badass Business Mindset. Make sure you head over to innerdominatrix.com to grab a copy of Become a Badass in Business for a deeper explanation on this tool and many more tricks to grow your business.